Getting young people to be interested in technical subjects can be difficult, but robotics is a hot activity with many youth. Mississippi State University held its first 4-H Robotics Academy this summer. Young people and adult volunteers were trained in the craft of building robots. Educators and engineers from elite institutes taught the participants how to build, program, and operate the robots at the week-long event. Farmweek's Amy Taylor reports from Mississippi State University.
Whether we realize it or not, robots are all around us. They're in our vehicles, in our smartphones, even in household appliances. At the 4-H Robotics Academy, educators from NASA Stennis Space Center and Carnegie Mellon University spent 5 days training participants how to program robots. Emma Saylor, projects coordinator for NASA Education Space Center, explains.
It's something that they can build. It's something they can get excited about. They have to tell it what to do. And if they don't tell it correctly, they have to go back and redesign it. But when they get it right, they're really excited. It uses math, it uses science, and they don't realize that. I think a lot of times they're just playing with the robot, but they really are learning a lot. We've been doing a lot of obstacle courses. They can use a light sensor to follow a line. They can use an ultrasonic sonar sensor to detect distance. A sound sensor that will clap and make the robot move when it's really loud and make it stop when it gets really quiet. And then a touch sensor also, where they can run into something kind of like the Roomba vacuum, where when it runs into a wall it turns.
Saylor says these challenges enhance teamwork and communication skills. In addition, software engineer at Carnegie Mellon University, Timothy Freeze, talks about why these skills will be needed in the future.
We're going to need these future innovators to make future robots, future electronics, future technology. Think about medical robots, and the abilities that they're able to make smaller cuts, smaller incisions, do more delicate procedures than even the human hand's able to do. So we have all of this technology, but in the future we're going to need someone to create new versions of it, or to be able to maintain it, or to be able to update it. And without having students exposed to that now, no one's going to be available to do it. And so those jobs will slowly go away, or even worse, they'll be, sent all across the world, taking away from American jobs.
The 4-H Robotics Academy was filled with all things robot, from the activities to the decorations, even to the snacks. From Mississippi State University, I'm Amy Taylor reporting.
If you're interested in the 4-H Robotics Academy for next summer, contact Dr. Mariah Smith at 662-325-3226. We'll also have this telephone number on our Farm Week webpage and Facebook page.